Nagsorry ang Miss Philippines Earth candidate sa controversial niyang pahayag tungkol sa hinimatay niyang kapwa-kandidata. May paalala naman ng mga beauty queens at pageant organizers sa mga kandidatang nagpapapayag. Nagpapatrol si Mario Dumaway.
Nag-trending sa social media ang controversial niyang pahayag.
She passed away kasi she's really hungry and Leslie's a good friend of mine.
Ngayon kasama ang kanyang apology, humingi ng pangunawa si Miss Earth candidate Ursuline Pialago sa lahat ng bashers sa social media sa kanyang malamela ni Marquez moment. Tensyonado raw siya kaya namali ang kanyang Ingles patungkol sa hinimatay niyang kapwa-contestant na si Leslie Pai. Imbes na paglibak sa issue, respeto at pag-unawa naman ang pinapairal ni Binibining Pilipinas Universe 1985 Joyce Burton para sa mga beauty contestants, lalo't may pinagdaanan siya.
I suffered from anorexia and bulimia even, and I went down to about 112 pounds lang. That's why it's so important to separate yourself as a person and as a pageant competitor. Because if you try to tie your image in with, the whole beauty pageant thing, you'll starve yourself. But if you know that you're already beautiful, even if you're competing in a pageant, you'll take care of your body.
Gayunman, ayon kay Miss Bikini Philippines 2013 Janice Lubina, talagang target ng ibang beauty contestants ang magpapayat, lalo na bago ang anumang bikini competition.
Ginagawa ko rin yun. Pero hindi siya maganda. Ang advice ng dietitians namin na kumain pa rin daw at dahan-dahan lang kasi masasitira yung metabolism mo.
Giit naman ng pageant organizers, sa gitna ng matinding kompetisyon, kailangan pa ring pangalagaan ng kandidata ang kanilang kalusugan.
I kept on inviting her to eat breakfast, but she really doesn't want to eat. She's really depriving herself.
The breakfast is the most important because that gives you the energy for the whole day. There are a lot of foods that are very low in calories and very low in fat, so you just have to pick the right food.
This part and this part, these are the two key things that you must never forget. Of course, your stomach, you have to eat though. Don't starve yourself.
Nauna na iginit ng Miss Earth Philippines, 20% lang ang bigat ng swimsuit sa kompetisyon kumpara sa pamantayan ng ganda ng mukha at karunungan sa kalikasan. Mario Dumawal, Patrol ng Pilipino.